All right. We got a 2008 Cadillac Escalade ESV. This will apply for the EXT and the regular short Escalade as well. Should be real similar for all GM trucks and SUVs that have center consoles like this. So we're gonna be removing this part, this portion, so we could change out the bottom portion, which contains the little clips for the cup holders. These broke, so the cup holder no longer stays on there. So I'm going to show you how to replace this part of the center console. Here's the replacement part right here. I'm going to show you how to get this part off without having to remove seats to get the entire center console out. So first of all, you want to remove the cup holders right here. Sits in here. I like to just reach in there and just tug it, and it got a retaining clip there on the other side and right here and on the opposite side of that as well. And then the cigarette lighter plug right there. Just pull up, boom, take it off. No tools needed for that. Got two screws right here, Phillips here, Phillips there. This is cracked and broken because I guess it's just old, but yeah. After that, I'm going to go to the back and remove the, I don't think you can see it in there, but where the cup holder goes, there's a few Phillips screws that you're going to remove, about 4 to 6 of them in there. You remove them, and then you're going to remove your display right here for your temperature display, and unplug the cigarette lighter, put that out the way. Here. So you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips head screws. Once we pop this off, we can, I'm not sure if we have to unscrew these or not, but I'm gonna unscrew them anyway. I forgot if I had to do that for the other one. But yeah, we're gonna unscrew all 6 of these and get this out the way. Then once we unscrew that, that should allow us to stick a pry tool in here and pry this entire unit off, and then plug the cigarette lighter. And then we will have access to the brackets and the screws that are holding this to the back of this. So let's get to it. It's in here like that. Once you remove all the 6 bolts, Phillips screws, you just can tug on this edge, and once you get that gap, you can stick a pry tool in there and pop it out and lift up as you pop out, and it'll come out. Simple as that. Now we're gonna have access to the back screws right here. Unplug all this, get this out your way so it won't be in the way. But you got 2 plugs here, 2 connections here, and then the cigarette lighter connection here, and another one here. Simply just pull back the little blue tab like that, push down, pull out, push back, little blue tab, push down on green, pull out, just like that. So let me finish getting this all out because it's hard to do with one hand. But then we'll take this off and then we'll get those screws out. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips screws. Okay, once you take out those 6 Phillips screws, you simply lift up on your actual console and then lift it out, comes out. I mean this part right here, the actual center storage part. This is the part that sits on the back and that will screw into the hose that I just showed you. Just lift up, slide it out. It's gonna come slide out of this slot right there. Once you have that out, simply lift up and pull off. And that's it. Reverse the steps to install. So my middle storage is already installed, but this is the back plate that just kind of sits in there and folds down. Gotta apply some pressure to it to get it to fold up. I might probably get somebody to hold it up for me to get it closer to this while I screw it back on, because it does have tension on here from the spring, so It's gonna be kind of hard to push down on this and install it at the same time. So I think I'm gonna have somebody come out here and help me just hold it up for me, and then I'll screw it in. Actually, no, I didn't need nobody's help. I just lifted up the console, and it kind of stays by itself. Now it lines up pretty good with the hose. Screw these 6 back in. Reinstall your center control hub, and then put all your screws back, and you're good to go. You can install your cup holder right there. Now we have cup holders. Fine. This cigarette lighter clip's broke. It was broke prior to me doing it, so no, I didn't break it. It was already broke. But yeah, once you get your control unit put in, your screws in, and you just put in left side first into the hole, and then you can kind of maneuver this in. It's going to be a little tight, but just work it in there. It'll go in there. There you go. That done. I'm going to replace this anyway, but yeah, I know it's scratched up. Yeah, I know it's an older truck, but hey, to some people, what they got is their treasure. And that's what this is. So this ain't nothing that can't be repainted, or might put some wood wrap on it to make it look like black wood. So give y'all an update on that if I get down on that. Yeah, this is priority just to get the cup holder to work, because that was important. So if anybody got a damaged cup holder or just a damaged center console, that's how to remove it. There you go. You're only gonna need 2 tools for this job. You can use a drill with a Phillips head, or you enterprise plastic pry tool. But if you don't have a drill, you use a regular old Phillips head screwdriver to get it off. You're only gonna need 2 tools for this job: a drill with a Phillips head bit and a plastic pry tool. If you don't have a drill with a Phillips head bit, you can use a regular old screwdriver. Remember to reinstall your cup holder. And that's it. That's how you do that there.